pulls out and he's up in the air.
Hello, I'm Kayak Barbie.
Up in the air, and the water goes out
She's
from the
here to introduce herself.
Just kayak surfing. Are you gonna put this on your blog?
Yes.
This is Barbie's feathered paddle. Now, she's stuck with it because it doesn't adjust, even if she would want something other than a feathered paddle. It appears that the ends are also opposite or backwards of each other. Probably not the most efficient use of a paddle. But what does Barbie care? She doesn't really paddle that extensively either.
And there is no way for her to actually bend her elbows, and so one just kind of wiggles, and so she has to kayak with both sides at once, like so. Meanwhile, poor Kayak Barbie is in a boat that does not float by Mattel's own boxing.
Let's go kayak. Kayak does not float.
Turning. The air.
There's a wave! There's a wave! Oh my gosh! We're gonna have to do a rescue!
Ah!
Oh no!
She lost her paddle!
She can't do an Eskimo roll!
She has to do an Eskimo! Her paddle is waterlogged!
There's no one to rescue her! Ah! Her boat didn't quite make it.
It also just completely flips open, so there isn't any storage for food, which would be very concerning for a long trip. This is Kayak Barbie. Learn from the lessons.